Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your Google account password or your Gmail password. The Gmail and Google is the same thing. So to change your Gmail or Google password, you need to be logged into your Gmail account. I'm already logged into my account. If you don't know how to log into your Google account, I have another separate video on how to log into your Google account. I have the link in the description. Please check that out if you don't know how to sign into your Google account. Here I'm already logged into my Google account. This is the page that you'll see after you log into your Google account or your Gmail account. And in this page, you can see a round badge in the top right corner of the screen with your name initials on it or with your picture on it. So you have to click on that badge and you'll get a pop-up screen. And in this screen, you have to click on Manage your Google account. Now Google has taken us to another tab in this page. To change the password, there are options on the left side of the screen. You have to click on the fourth option, which is security. After clicking on that, you have to scroll down on the page, and in the signing into Google option, there is password option. So click on that. And first, to change the password, you have to enter your old password to verify that it's you. So enter your old password here and click on next. Now in this page, you can enter your new password. Password criteria for Google or Gmail is at least 8 characters or more with the mix of letters, numbers, or special characters. With the letters, numbers, and special characters, the password will be very strong, so no one can hack into your account. Enter your desired password in New Password option and in Confirm New Password option also, and click on Change Password. It's done. Your Google account or Gmail account password is changed. Thank you.